Okay, in working on a different project today, I learned about a feature in PTxPrint called digit mapping. I thought I would share it with you today. Digit mapping is intended to solve the problem of what numbers do you use to display chapter and verse in a print project. Paratext depends upon the Arabic numerals, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that you can see in the screen right here, but those are not Thai numbers. For example, I'm using Thai as an example here, but this could be any one of a number of different numerical systems. So if I were to make a print draft of this project, it's Luke chapter 1, this is just an example project. In PTxPrint, I just click print here. Okay, you see the problem. Nice Thai script, but Arabic numerals. That's not what the Thai would expect. Please ignore the spacing. This is just demonstrating the number problem. Now, Thais do understand the Arabic numbers. It's all over the place on the signage, but it shouldn't be in scripture. So I'm going to close this and show you how you can get Thai numerals in your text. Go back to PTxPrint. Go to Fonts and Scripts. In here, in body regular text, I'm using the Angsana new font for this project. Down here at the bottom, you see digit mapping. Default is just leave it as it is. It'll show the Arabic numerals. So I'm going to, there's a little tooltip. PTxPrint makes a lot of heavy use of tooltips. If you highlight over something, it'll show you what it's meaning. All right, so I'm going to click on the little down arrow. And these are the numerical systems that PTxPrint knows about. I'll just pause here a second so you can get a quick look. And I'm going to pick Thai. Click Apply. Click Print. Again, you see the tooltip while it's waiting. And now you see Thai numerals. This is the chapter. This is 2, 3, or in Thai, Nung, Song, Sam, Si, Ha, and all the way down. All right, and that is digit mapping in PTxPrint.